We detected an unusual trade worth $590,000 on 3M Company, ticker symbol MMM, on the last trading day. And so in this video, we will analyze this unusual option activity to find out how wealthy investors are trading 3M. Are they bullish or bearish? So we can also trade in the same direction to make money, because we all know the rich are getting richer on Wall Street because they have better access to information to make better financial decisions, sometimes even access to insider information because they have a larger network of connections. So without further ado, let's get to it. Now, if you are one of our members, you may be confused as to why we are discussing 3M, because 3M is one of our prior membership trades back on March 12th. On this day. The reason is because we took profits on March 21st. Okay, on this day here, which happens to be a good day to take profits because you can see this was the most recent high here. And ever since then, it has been going down. Okay, so unless you were a gold member, you may not have known about this. Okay, so this here was our March 12th analysis when we initially entered the trade based on a $9.8 million trade. Okay, and this is what we mean by high probability of profit trades, when they exceed into the millions. Okay, we shared this with our membership March 12th to all of our members, bronze, silver, gold levels. Okay, and so based on this, we went long bullish, and this was our strategy where we went bullish. You can see here clearly a bullish direction with a positive delta. This strategy video was available to our silver level members on March 12th when we entered the trade. Okay, and then we updated, took profits on March 21, 178% profit in just a few days. Okay, so you can see here, this was March 21st when we took profits, closed out, readjusting some positions. The key thing is that this was only available to our gold level members. So that is the value of our gold memberships. Okay, so because we have to reassess, reevaluate, and analyze more data to do additional work to decide when is the best time to close or readjust our trades, updating them. And that is what we provide for our gold level members to manage the risk on our trades. Okay, so if you are interested in our membership, make sure to go to our website. We'll put a link at the top here. So let's get to the data and our trade for the current time now. Okay, because knowing when to trade at the right time is very critical to being profitable in the markets. You can see here on April 3rd, May 17 options, 95 strike calls, 2,000 contracts, paying $295. 2,000 contracts times 295. We have to multiply by 100 here since this is options pricing. That's why it's $295 instead of $2.95. Okay, so you can see here, total $590,000. This is under $1 million. That is why it is a low probability of profit trade in comparison to the trades that we share with our membership. Okay, so if you want the higher probability of profit trades, make sure to go to our website to learn how you can gain access. Now, you can see that for the April 3rd trading day, for the option chain here on May 17, we can see that the 95 strike calls are clearly opening trades because the volume 2,632, much greater than the open interest of 423 open interest. So we know that they are not closing out these trades, that they are opening new trades. Okay, so when we take a look at the analysis of the trade, you can see we are also in the same position. That is why it says POS at the 95 strike calls for May 17. And as we went over, they were buying these 95 strike calls for $2.95 each. And so when we analyze this trade, you can see that this is a bullish long trade because the delta here is a positive. And we can just see from this graph that when the lines are sloping upwards here, this is bullish long, right? At the share price of 3M on the x-axis here, currently trading at 93. So as it moves up, it becomes a profit, positive here, the purple and the blue lines. Purple represents the current date, and the blue line represents the expiration date of May 17. Okay, but you notice that the purple line is above the blue line because it will decay in value, okay, as time goes on. And that's why it is a negative when you look at the profit here, okay? The y-axis here represents profit, right? And here's the zero break-even line. So if the lines are above that zero, that is a profit. But you can see here that when we're at the current price of $93, that blue line is actually negative at negative 295, which is 100% loss because we paid 295. That is because of the theta decay. Okay, and so that's what you want to always be aware of if you are going to trade long call options or long put options. There is a theta decay that you see right here on the thetas here, a negative 3 time decay. Okay, so that is why we typically will spend more time to develop our own option strategies if it is a membership trade, a higher probability of profit trades, because those trades we put a lot more capital in. So we don't want to just simply follow the trades of unusual options, because sometimes some of them are very not very tactical, strategic, higher risk, such as this trade. So because it's a lower probability trade, we simply just follow it. We don't have a lot of time to develop strategies on the lower probability of profit trades. We move on to the trades for our membership. That's where we spend most of our time, analyzing those trades, setting up strategies for those trades, because that's how we end up being very profitable, beating the market with our membership trades. So if you want access to those stock picks and our option strategies, make sure to go to our website. Let us know in the comments below what you think will happen to 3M. Do you think it will go up or will it go down? Please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and have a great day.